Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about hard work. Hard work is the key success in life. Without hard work, we cannot achieve our dreams. They do not give up successful and yearly. Every successful person work day hard. So always remember hard work build confidence and discipline. It makes and successful in life. In a make strong better. Hard work is very important and health. We should avoid it. Focus in my goal. But now hard work numbers yearly very important. Every day, small iftar a avoided being being a result in my future.